Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the diet recommendation system using machine learning. So this is the home page. Let's enter the age 19, non-veg 0, height in centimeter 185 and weight in kilogram 95. So we have to enter all those value, and according to the inputs the model will predict. Okay, let's click on the weight loss. Then the BMI index, like body mass index, equal to 27.75, and it will recommend the food like pumpkin. Okay, and it will give the overweight. Like then next weight gain, and third is the healthy. In that it will recommend the food bananas, asparagus cooked or avocados, and it will give the list of foods. So this model will help in dieting any person which is suffering from the any disease. And this is the back button, and let's click on the exit button to close the software. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.